Hello students, in this video I am going to teach you about activity ratios, also called turnover ratios. These ratios are actually used to know how efficiently our resources are utilized, how efficiently our assets are utilized to earn the revenue. First one is inventory turnover ratio. So this ratio is used to know the efficient use of inventory. Cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. How can we calculate cost? Revenue minus gross profit, or second formula to calculate cost, opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock. And how to calculate average inventory? Average inventory, opening inventory plus closing inventory divide by 2. Opening inventory plus closing inventory divide by 2. These ratios are calculated in times only. Higher the ratio, that means inventory is efficiently used for earning revenue. With this ratio, another ratio is used, average age of inventory. The formula of this ratio is 365 days divided by inventory turnover ratio. Next ratio is trade receivable turnover ratio. Net credit revenue divided by average trade receivable. This turnover ratio is used to know the speed of collecting money from the debtors, from the trade receivables. So net credit revenue divided by average trade receivable. How to calculate net credit revenue? First of all, credit revenue will be calculated. Total revenue minus cash revenue. After calculating credit revenue, we have to deduct sales return. Then only we can find net credit revenue. How to calculate average trade receivable? Opening trade receivable plus closing trade receivable divided by 2. So this is the formula of trade receivable turnover ratio. Always higher is good. Next formula which work with this ratio, average collection period. This ratio is used to know in how many days we are collecting amount from our trade receivables. In how many days? So 365 days divided by trade receivable turnover ratio. Next ratio is working capital turnover ratio. Working capital turnover ratio. This ratio is used to know how much working capital is efficiently used. Formula is net revenue from operation divided by working capital. If net revenue is not given in the question and it is not possible to calculate net revenue from operation, then we can take here cost of revenue also. Cost of revenue divided by working capital. Cost of revenue we have already calculated here in the formula of inventory turnover ratio. Now, how to calculate working capital? Working capital is excess of current assets over current liability. So the formula of working capital is current assets minus current liability. Higher the ratio is good. That means we are efficiently using our working capital. Thank you.